Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Khan Academy. First, create your free account on the platform. This allows you to track your progress and personalize your learning path. Once logged in, you can easily explore a vast library of subjects, from elementary math to advanced science and even humanities. Don't hesitate to use the search bar to quickly locate specific lessons or courses you're interested in. After selecting a course, you'll see it organized into units and individual lessons. Each lesson typically includes engaging video tutorials that break down complex topics into easy-to-understand segments. Following the videos, you'll find interactive practice exercises. These are crucial for solidifying your understanding and applying what you've learned. Aim for a score of at least 70% on these practices to ensure mastery before moving on. Khan Academy provides a personalized dashboard to track your learning journey. Here, you can see which lessons you've completed and your overall progress in each subject. As you successfully complete exercises and quizzes, you'll earn mastery points, indicating your growing proficiency. The platform also highlights areas where you might need additional practice, helping you focus your efforts efficiently and achieve your learning goals. Khan Academy offers more than just core academic subjects. You can access official SAT and AP test preparation materials, which are invaluable for students aiming for higher education. They also provide excellent resources for career exploration and guidance on college admissions, helping you plan your future steps. Remember to check the description below for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other great deals. Keep learning and growing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.